Sorry guys, can't edit this because of technical reasons, but what I've done here is another one of those nested script things where I use one script to generate another script. This is the first script, and if we go down here, this is the script it is generating, and we can see this on Chrome. This is a circle, which is a preview of what it will look like, and this down here is all of the code. You can change where it draws it on the world by changing the X offset value here and the Z offset value here, and you can also change the Y value to the height that it will be drawn, and you can change the block here to change which block is used to make the shape. You could even swap X and Y values or Y and Z values to make it a vertical rather than horizontally drawn shape. And we have 4 shapes available here, which is the parabola, hyperbola, circle and ellipse. What we do to use the script is we go onto this page, just Control A and copy, and then of course just paste it into here and indent it all and add a Control J command at the top. And we can also have a look at what it looks like in Minecraft. As you can see, we've got different shapes drawn here. Obviously, if you know what you're doing, you can probably do it so it draws polygons, maybe even ping files, if you know what you're doing with bitmapping, or probably something where you can custom draw images using the mouse and then generate a script from that. If you want to find the script, it will be in this URL, although I'll probably be able to put a link in the description. HTTP, not S because it's not secure, thatchapthere.com/minecraftahk.html. Don't put HTTPS because you won't get it, because I can't afford to have HTTPS. And just to show you it working in action, we'll go to here, click on circle, the script should be running, and resume game. I've set the delay so that on my computer anyway it will not start typing too soon. Obviously the speed of your computer makes a difference as to the delays in the AutoHotkey, so you might have to tweak that if you have a slower computer. I also have to point the camera up to the sky because it uses more processing power to render blocks, and then it doesn't work because it doesn't allow another command to be typed in. But yeah, I'll just show you how it works by pressing Control and J, and as you can see it just types it in for you. And we'll keep on going. And I'll stop that. Okay. Don't know where it's drawn those blocks that I just asked it to. They'll be somewhere around here anyway, but can't see them anywhere, but they'll be somewhere in this world anyway. But you get the general idea. So this is the shapes in Minecraft. If you want to do it yourself, then go on the link and copy the code and see if we can get it working.